Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. So, update on the Puss Moth's rebuild. The nose has been reconnected to the aircraft. And yes, I had to pull out the original plans. As you can see, these plans have to be redrawn or traced out because the original plans are literally almost non-existent. So what you can see here is I'm using soda can to make the new cowling instead of foam board. What I did is I ran stringers in the front to make the nose a little bit more stronger. The aluminum is just something different from what I had from the foam board. I just didn't like the way the foam board looked. I think the aluminum makes it look a little bit better. You guys leave a comment in the field and tell me what you think. I'm gonna try and form a new cowling based on the aluminum that I have here. It's an aluminum can, so it's got a plastic outside. I will be able to paint it. What I'm gonna do is just scuff it up a little bit with the white and then paint it the blue. And again, I'm just gonna form out with some super glue and form out a cowling so it will look presentable. So that's the way it looks right now. You can see right there, turn. I did fix the tail gear. Am I gonna build another one of these? Maybe someday in the future I will, but not right now. I really would just like to fix it up and put it back up into flying condition. Newer cowling for sure, but I think I can mold something here. I gotta slice it here and make it a little bit more straighter. Because if you can see, it's not really straight. So I'm gonna trim this so it lines up, and then I'll form. Most likely what I will do is I have the original cowling from the foam board piece, and maybe I'll just put that up front. I don't know, we'll see. Or maybe form something out of wood even. So, but that's how it's going. I got the plexiglass back in. At least that's somewhat back to normal. And then I gotta do something about the top. I also have to fix that. So, let's see what we can do. Talk to y'all later. Please leave a comment in the comment below if you have any questions or you want to make some comments. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and hit the bell icon so you'll be alerted to wherever videos come about. Till next time, Model Man Frank out.